This is an introduction video to this little glider rocket. This is called the Aleda-R, and it's from J&H Aerospace. Now, it's a pretty simple glider, and we have several gliders on our website, but what makes this one kind of fun is it's small, uses small motors, so it's fairly inexpensive to fly. This is actually called a boost glider, so it's boosted up by this rocket motor that's in this pod right here. When the motor ejects, what it does is it pushes off the nose cone and the streamer, and then it just peels the pod. This is called the pop pod. Peels that off, and then the glider can come down by itself. And so this has low weight and it glides really nice. It's a competition style glider. And yeah, I like it. What I really like is the engineering that's been done right here on this little piece right here. When you're putting it together, just take a look at it and how it functions. I think you're going to like it if you're kind of inquisitive like I am. So this is the Aleda-R Boost Glider. It's from J&H Aerospace, but you'll find it at the Apogee Components website. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.